Hello students. So this is a robotic session which is based on programming. As I have seen your robotic structure, that is educator vehicle, and you have done basic projects like how we can frame a square, how we can frame a circle by the help of EV3 robot. And today I'm going to tell you about how we can do different programming, different coding by the help of a software. So today I'm going to introduce one software that is very important and very easy software, we can say that, right? So that is Lego Mindstorm Education EV3. That is Lego Mindstorm Education EV3. You can see here, right? When I click on this software, you can see the interface of this software first, and after that I will tell you how we can download and install the same software in our systems to code our robots. Okay, so this is Lego Mindstorm Education EV3 software, where we can create our codes, where we can explore so many things, right? Like you can see here, first that is model core set. You can see on the screen, you can design that kind of structures as well, because अभी आपने जो डिजाइन किया है that is a very basic frame of robot, very basic chassis of your robot, right? And after so many sessions you can create that kind of structures as well. And now I'm going to show you, these are some basic programmings where we can easily create and learn different concepts. Like you can see, I'm going to show you one thing. Yes. So this is the basic overview of this software. Right? Now I'm going to show you how we can do different tasks by the help of the educator vehicle. So these are the basic glimpse. You can see. So it will happen only and only by the help of programming. Like if you want to create different tasks, if you want to do different tasks by the help of your own robot, and it will be an autonomous robot. So for that we will learn code. So I'm going to tell you how we can create a fresh code on our systems or on our software. So here is the option, that is file, right? And next option is open project. When I click on this open project, so I can open our saved projects, but right now I want to create a fresh new file, that is new project. Okay, and then we will choose a program, because right now we are creating a simple code for our robot that is moving forward. So for that we will click on this program, and here is the button, that is open button. By the help of this open button we can create a new fresh project or fresh file for coding. So when we click on that, you will receive that kind of interface in front of you. Yes, here it is, right? So these are the blocks. By the help of these blocks we can easily create our code and our experiment whatever we want to do by the help of our robot. Correct. So firstly, I will tell you a simple code, but after that, I will tell you the installation process. So here are so many blocks. That first one is for action block. Second one is for flow control block. And when I click here, it will give us so many blocks for coding. And then for sensors, if I want to attach any sensor in our robotic body, then we can use these blocks to code it. Next one is data operators. If I want to do some mathematical calculation in our programming, so I can do easily, right? And some advanced blocks are here, and here is the option to create your own blocks. That means if I want to create my own block, so I can create and I can put here in my block category. Yes. So I'm going to tell you how we can create a forward project, that like if I want to move my robot in a straight direction. So here is the steering block, because we can easily control our robot by the help of steering. So I can just click on that, and after that I will drag my mouse and I will release the same block after the start block, right? So this is by default block, that is start block. And here are so many conditions, so many options. Like if I want to put my steering off, I can do. If I want to put my steering in on condition only, I can do. But I want to move my robot for a second, so I can choose this category or this option, that is on for seconds. And after that, it will provide us 2-3 options to set the conditions. Like first one is steering. If you are providing above 0 value, then your robot will take a turn in right direction. If you are providing negative values on the steering block, then it will take left turn. Okay, so I'm going to do one thing. I want my robot will move in a straight direction, so I will put 0 here. Okay, and then next one is the power block, in which we will provide the speed of our EV3 robot. If we will provide positive speed, then it will run in forward direction. Or if I will provide the negative speed, so your robot will move in the backward direction. Okay, so I'm going to provide the positive speed because we will move in forward direction. And here is the condition for second. कितने सेकंड्स के लिए हम उसको रोबोट को रन करना चाहते हैं, फॉर अ 5 सेकंड और फॉर अ 6 सेकंड, वो हम यहाँ पर सेट कर सकते हैं. एंड इट विल बी इन ऑन ब्रेक कंडीशन, कोस्ट कंडीशन में नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? So this is the way we can set a simple block. But the main condition is how we can download the same software in our system, because after that we will learn how we can attach sensors, how we can create those programming, right? But उससे पहले हमें जानना होगा कि हम इसको अपने सिस्टम्स में कैसे इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं, कैसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज आज हम इसको रन करेंगे प्रोग्राम को, सेम प्रोग्राम को, राइट? सो फॉर दैट I will provide you the link for downloading this same software in your system after the class or in between as well. So here is the link. I'm going to just click on that. When I click here, you will directly jump onto the screen, right? And here are 2 options. You can choose your own condition. Like if you have a Mac operating system, you can choose. If you have Windows 7, 8, and 10. So you can choose this category. You can choose the language as well, right? And then here are the option. Here is the option, that is download button. When you click on that, it will start downloading the setup of the software, and after the setup you can directly install it. Okay, it's not a time taking process, hardly it will take your 1 or 2 minutes. So we will complete the same process in front of you, ताकि इससे कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. Even you can start now. If you can do downloading right now, you can start, because if you are facing any kind of problem, then we can easily resolve it. Till then, I will explain you some more feature about this coding. And as you can see on the steering, because अगर आप इसको easily understand करेंगे तो आप समझ सकते हैं, because your robot is just like a car. अभी अगर आप उसके shape को देखेंगे, it's just like a car. तो उस car को आप कैसे control करते हैं? By the help of steering. So similarly, here is the block. By the help of this block, we can easily control. We can easily provide the directional conditions to our robot. If I want to move in a forward direction, I can. If I want to go in backward direction, so I can do the same task. And if I want to take a turns, so I can do the same task by the help of this steering block, right? Even if you want to rotate your robot on for degrees, you can choose this category and you can provide the degree here, like on 360 degree, like you have already done this square or a circle task. So by the help of this, you can create a circle by the help of the degree option. Okay, you can put here 90, you can put here 360, you can put here 180, right? तो वो आप डायरेक्शन चीजों को चेंज करके, वैल्यूज को चेंज करके अपना रिजल्ट चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. One more thing I will tell you, if you are doing this programming in this software, so you have to check your motor ports as well, because you know very well in EV3 brick we have two kind of ports, A, B, C and D. These are the motor ports, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, these are the sensor ports. So आपने जहां भी ports पर अपनी connectivity create की है motors की, you have to set the same ports here. When you click here, it will give you the port numbers. If you want to change, you can change, because अगर आपकी ports same नहीं होंगे, in case your project or your robot will not give you the exact output. So it is also necessary to check the ports before running the same code. Okay. And after downloading and installing the same software in your system, you will learn how we can create a connectivity of EV3 and this software. Because अगर आप इसकी connectivity create नहीं करेंगे, you cannot download the same software program in your EV3 brick. After creating a code, you will download the same code on your EV3. And it is possible by the help of three ways. You can do by the help of USB cable, which is also available in your kits, and you can do by the help of Bluetooth connectivity, and you can do the same task by the help of Wi-Fi connectivity. So today I will tell you how we can create a connectivity by the help of Bluetooth, because USB cable connectivity is very easy. Connect the cables and download the program. Here is the downloading button. When you click here, directly your code will download in your EV3. And today I will tell you how we can create a Bluetooth connectivity. But before that, I will check it's done. Yes, it's done right now. So here's the setup of your software. When you click here, it will create an installation process. Yes, it is asking to install the software. Yes, of course. And then it will give you some 2-3 options, and after that it will create a start the installation process like this. In my system it is already available, but I'm showing you the exact same process, because by the help of this you can easily download as well as install in your system the same software. And before tomorrow class, you have to insert two sensor in your robotic structure. That is ultrasonic sensor and touch sensor. Okay. Yes, it has done. You can see. And then you will choose a next option. You can just click on next and then finish. So this is the simple process of downloading and installing the software of Lego Mindstorm EV3 in your systems. Okay, and after that you can design the same code, and now we will jump on to the connectivity part. So here I'm going to show you one video. So firstly, I will tell you one thing. You have to switch on Bluetooth in both device, in your EV3 as well as in your system. Okay. So firstly, we will try to tell you how we can switch on the Bluetooth part in your EV3. So you have to watch it carefully.
I've done other videos on how to get your Lego EV3 Mindstorms robot to start without having to keep plugging in your USB cable. My students like to do board challenges here, like the space challenge. And what they do is they like to go onto their laptop and they like to just start the program without having to keep plugging and unplugging their USB cable. So this video is going to show you how to run a program off the laptop without having to use the USB cable. And then we're going to go ahead and show you how that's done. I've done a video about this before and I don't think it was clear starting you from square one, so this will take you through the whole steps. So let's get going. Okay, so the first things first, let's go to the brick. This is actually, you can see how neat and clean this looks. This is a brand new EV3 robot that was just put together yesterday. So the very first thing we want to do is we want to go over to that fourth tab.
You want to go in setting option. Here are 4 folders. So you have to go in the last one, that is setting option. And now I will show you the next step.
Tab. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on.
And here is the third option, that is Bluetooth. So you have to check the box.
So you can see that it's unchecked right now. So we're going to go ahead and click on that.
Then it will provide you 3 options: visibility, Bluetooth, iPhone, iPod, iPad. So you have to do one thing. You have to must on visibility as well as Bluetooth. That means आपको चेक ऑन करना है बॉक्स को, ब्लूटूथ और विजिबिलिटी दोनों को. And after that you have to just click on this right check button.
We're going to go up to Bluetooth and we're going to make sure that it is check marked. And then we'll just come down here and get out. So right now the Bluetooth is on.
So this is the way we can switch on our EV3 Bluetooth. Okay. And now I'll show you how we can pair the same thing in your systems, right? So you can see this one also. This is our second option. You have to go in setting in your system and you have to open Bluetooth and other device option. And then add a device. And after that, you have to enter the passkey, that is 1234. And now your EV3 is ready to paired, right? So this is the way we can easily switch on our system Bluetooth. That means दोनों के Bluetooth को हमें on करना है, switch on करना है, then pair करना है. आपका जो भी EV3 name होगा, even you can see on the screen right now, your EV3 brick name is available on the top of the screen, right? So same name will appear here in the settings, Bluetooth, right? And you can just click on that. And after that, you can provide the passkey, that is 1234, which is your EV3 passkey. And after that, you have just click on done option, and then you will directly jump onto the software. And after that, you will just click on this refresh button. Here's the refresh button, because right now I'm not having any EV3 device. When you click on this refresh button, it will give you the name of your EV3 here as well. And after that, just click on the Bluetooth section, check the box, and then just press the downloading arrow to download your program on the EV3. Okay, so this is the process. By the help of these steps, we can easily create our coding and downloading the same code in the EV3. Okay, and then you have to just click on this play button and your robot will run in the same forward direction. I hope these things are clear to you. You can unmute yourself, and if you have any query or doubt, you can ask, and you can do the same task today. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great.